The Cruffins craze continues, this time with Nutella.
Let me show you how to make them. Roll out crescent dough until perforated lines are blended back together. Spread each sheet evenly with a thin layer of Nutella. Starting on the long end of the rectangle, roll up the dough into a log. Cut the long logs in half. Then cut each of those logs in half lengthwise. Take each piece and wrap it around your finger to form the shape of a muffin, with the layers facing outward. Place each rolled piece in a greased muffin pan. Bake at 350 for about 20 minutes, rotating the pan halfway through the baking time. Remove from the oven and immediately remove from the pan. Sprinkle each cruffin generously with sugar. They're a cross between a croissant and a muffin and filled with chocolate hazelnut deliciousness. A must-try for an easy breakfast treat. Enjoy!